How was your day? My day
Good
was
evening,
literally
ma'am.
packed up today. Yeah.
My day is also packed up.
Yes, completely packed up today. It was too hectic.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. Come on, turn on your cameras, everyone.
Good
Yeah.
evening, ma'am. Good
Yes, very
evening,
good
ma'am.
evening. All are here. Morning batch people are here. Yes, Deepa ma'am is here. Gayatri ma'am is here. Then who else are from morning batch? Okay. Let the people join. Okay, let's wait for one more minute. Amit sir hasn't joined, right? Amit sir, Sumaya ma'am will join at 8 o'clock. She mentioned Durga Devi ma'am is not here. See, it's already a fourth day, right? I can just make out the names now. Banu ma'am is not here. Okay. So come on. So before starting with the new sounds, let's go with a quick revision of all the sounds. Okay, and let us see. Like yesterday, we were resumed by the wheel blending. Correct. So, what are these CVC words? When to introduce? How to teach them? That everything we will discuss, and later on we will go with the new sounds today. Okay. So today is a very crucial class. One second, just a moment. So it's a very crucial class. So today, pay attention. Okay, so just pay attention because today we will be learning almost all the what the short vowel sounds, and we'll be learning what are short vowels, when to introduce it. Okay, so I'm taking you a little bit to the intermediate level, towards the intermediate level today. Okay, clear? Yes. Chalo, let's go with a quick revision right from S until R. I want everyone to smile and do it. Okay? Why? We all know. Okay, why? We all know. Come on. Ready? One, set back, set back. One, two, three, go, start. S, s, ah,
Ah,
d,
ch,
e,
ch,
e.
e, e.
Oof. Who is that oof? Wait. Who is that oof? No. Fold the lips and release it. Come on. Next. Mm. Mm. Eh, eh. Broad smile. Eh, eh. Mm. Mm. Right. See, when it comes to the two-letter word formation and then the three-letter word formations at the very beginning stage, like a nursery and LKG, three-letter words play a very crucial role. Okay, when you consider the maximum number of three-letter words, they will be in a pattern of one consonant, one vowel, and one consonant. Right? So, what are consonants? Rest, leaving that A, E, I, O, U. I'm speaking about our traditional method. Okay, but A, E, I, O, U are not at all a vowels according to me right now. Okay, so the sounds are different, letters are different. That's why I never say A, E, I, O, U as the vowels. But to make sure that what are vowels in our traditional alphabetical method 26? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Apart from that, rest of every letter goes with the 21 letters goes with the consonants. Okay. So now, what falls in between? The vowels falls in between and the consonant and consonant will be assigned. And most of the time means, ma'am, what are the chances? 99% of the cases, whatever the middle vowel falls in this consonant vowel consonant. Let me take cat. K. C is a consonant. A is a vowel. T consonant. Correct? T is a consonant. CVC words. Okay, these are the CVC words. Let me take mop. Consonant. O vowel. What is that? It's a consonant. CVC word. So all these patterns will be found. And if you observe our, what is this? Blending wheel. Okay, our blending wheel consists of the CVC words. Correct? Act, hat, act, sat, act, pat, act, rat, act, mat. We are yet to see this. Okay, we are yet to see the sound. Leave it out. So all are these. What are these? CVC words where only the first consonant is changing and the vowel and the last consonant remains the same. And we call this as the word family. Okay, which word family is this? At word family. Who is constant? At is constant, and we call it as a at word family. Ma'am, at only has a family, no other people has a family. We have more than 18 plus word families in English. Okay, there is a in family. Okay, come on, can you tell me the in family words? Bin,
Pin.
pin,
Pin.
tin,
Pin.
sin.
Bin.
Right? What is changing? In remains same. S, t, like this. Okay, so the initial sounds will change. There is a op family, mop, cop, top,
Top.
right? Shop also I can take. Sh,
Top.
op, chop, ch, op, chop.
Top.
You can ask me, ma'am, when I write it, chop and shop, how can we name it as a CVC word? Are these the CVC words? Come on, let us decode this into consonant and vowel. Is this a consonant or a vowel?
Consonant.
A consonant. This is a consonant. This is a vowel consonant. Which words are these? CCVC words. Okay, CCVC words also can be a part of that family. Okay, part of that family where this VC will be the same. Okay, so CVC words are like top, mop, hop, like this. These are CVC words with the op family. Okay, with the op family, and these are the CCVC words with this belongs to the same family, but little bigger words. That's it. Okay, 4-letter words. Clear? Got it. Ma'am, then can I insert ch sound over here? Yes, you can. Okay, so can I hear, what can I do? Chat, right? Ch, add, chat, correct? You can insert the CH. Somebody inserted yesterday. Rinsija ma'am, was that you? Yes. So you had some space and you inserted it, right? Ch, add, chat, like that. Now, why have we bought all the word families here? One thing, it's a fun way. Correct? One thing, it is fun way and the kids feel like, oh, I know this. And at a time, they are able to learn how many words? More than 7 to 8 words. They are able to enjoy the words. Rather than learning, they will enjoy the learning of those words. Correct. Now, what should not do? Come on, use the red sketch pen and write it down in your book. Because it's a high red alert, what you should not do. So maximum teachers has a traditional method of teaching. Firstly, they will teach this. At is at children. Okay, at is at. You need to remember it. Okay, now only the first one you need to blend like k, at, b, bad. Are they blending like b, at, but no, they're reading this together by keeping in mind. Keeping in mind is something memorizing. Keeping in mind is something memorizing. Yes or no? That you should not do. Why don't do they know the sounds? Why is it taking a hours together or minutes together to see and read it? Fraction of seconds. So let them go with the decoding of the sounds and read it. So never teach them this as a bit, just attach this sound to this. Okay, never do that. Let them blend like this. B, b, at, b, at,
At,
b, at, b,
at,
at, b, at, b, at, bat, bat, bat,
but,
at, like this. So now,
um,
at, at,
at,
at, at, at,
at,
at,
at,
at, hat,
at,
like this. Okay, individually let them make the sounds, not as part and the attaching one more sound. Are you getting my concept? Don't make them to remember that. Okay, the word family, you have to remember the word family. Never do that. Let them blend everything. Got it? So this is how you can utilize this. So now this will be much more. This is not something to show the kids, come on, blend. This one you have to give it to them so they will enjoy rotating it and blending it. Okay, how many minutes hardly will it take for you to do this? You have marked it out and cut it out within, to my knowledge, 7 minutes probably you have taken to do this activity, and there was nothing much except than rotating and writing. Okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, so you can prepare it for all the 18 word families. Okay, 18 word families. So whatever you have, ma'am, chart paper, I don't want to invest. Don't invest on the chart paper. Just go ahead and what, use the, collect the old wedding cards. You can do better with the old wedding cards. Backside it will be having that white paper only, right? You just write it down, give it handy to the kids, let them play and do. One day you connect an activity for a kid, let them do their own blending wheels. Okay, so you can make it more better and obviously reusable one. Beautiful. I am practicing. This was my first activity which I learned in 2016. Even today, I am teaching this and the kids really enjoy. It's not a faded activity. Okay, faded out activity, boring activity. Never, never it has been. Okay, what is the name of this? Blending wheel. Okay, blending wheel. So this is all about the CVC words. Okay, I will share you the 18 sets of which are the most important VCs, the word families. You can just go through it. Okay, you can just go through it. Many more blending activities yet to come. Okay, tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. That's it. Chalo, let's go with the next sounds. Clear? Any doubts in this particular part? Shall I move forward? What will change in the word family? The first consonant will change. What will remain constant? The last VC will remain constant. Vowel and consonant. That is, A is a vowel, T is a consonant. That remains constant. Only the first one keeps on changing. Next. Let's go with the next sound. Ah. So the next one comes like this. How do we make a sound? Just fold your lips and start making mmm. If you eat something yummy, how do you make a sound like? Yummy. Right? Let us look into the story of this. Here you can see the kids are literally they are starving and waiting for their dinner. Who went to prepare a dinner at kitchen? In the kitchen?
Mommy,
Right? Mom.
mom,
Who went? Mom.
mom,
And by the time she was preparing something yummy in the kitchen, the kids were like they were into imagination. Mama might be preparing some cheese for me. Who is thinking that?
Maggie,
The little Inky the mouse. Even it is feeling so starving. What is it thinking about? Mama might be bringing some cheese for me. And this little girl is thinking something like she might be preparing something. a licking taste, right? We'll say finger licking taste, right? Delicious food for me. And he is thinking about what is it? It's kind of a noodles. Okay, right? So it is kind of a noodles. Okay, mom, I've been preparing some noodles. But what exactly the mom has prepared here? It's a meat. Right? What is it? It's a meat. She cooked a meat. Who usually prepare meal for us? Mom? Sometimes dad. Correct? The mom and the dad make many meals. Rub your tummies. That's the action. Like this. Rub your tummies. Mmm. Mmm. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. To whom? For their hungry children. Okay. So what exactly most of the time we mispronounce this is like ma. Okay, ma. So don't release your mouth and say ah. Instead, zip your mouth, seal your mouth and say mm, moon, money, mustard, man, mom. Come on, let's go thematically. Come on, animals with sound.
Monkey.
Monkey, then
Mongoose, mongoose,
Mango.
mongoose,
mongoose, mouse, mouse,
Mouse.
mouse,
mouse. Yes, mouse. Then
mongoose,
Mountain.
monster is an
Mountain.
animal. Today I came to know that.
Not a
Okay.
monster, not an
Okay.
animal.
Example. Yes, example word. Okay, then just kidding. Okay, just kidding. Okay, come on, tell me. Then any animals? Okay, animals are done. Then come on, come on. Let's go with birds.
Mena,
Mena.
Yeah,
Maina,
Mina. Yeah.
Maina, bird.
In
Then
hummingbird, there is sound in the middle. Hummingbird.
hummingbird. Okay, you have given it in the middle. Okay, that's absolutely fine. Then
Minky.
okay, fine. Suppose I'm rushing to the class and I'm into my kitchen. What objects can I grab and go?
Mop,
Money.
Mop. Okay, mop.
Money.
Then milk.
milk,
Money.
Milk. Then mustard. Mustard.
mango, mango,
Mangoes.
Mango.
Mangoes.
Money.
muskmelon,
Money. Muskmelon.
mustard,
Muffin.
muskmelon,
Muffin.
muskmelon,
Okay.
Muffin.
muskmelon,
So similarly, now you can ask kids that you are in a market. Come on, quickly you need to grab few things. You need to purchase few things with a sound. What will you purchase?
Mushroom.
mango,
Mushrooms. Okay.
mushroom,
Okay, then
Mustard seed.
mop,
mustard seeds.
Mustard
Mop.
seeds. Muskmelon.
Muskmelon.
Mango.
Mangoes.
Milk.
Milk.
mustard,
Mustard. I don't think so kids will say this. Okay, then
Mus- muffins,
muffins. Kids will say muffins. Yes.
Mask.
Mask. Yes,
Mask.
mask. Then
Minky.
monkey. Monkey. Toy monkey. Mint.
Milky bar,
Mint.
Milky bar,
Milky bar.
Milky
Yeah,
bar,
kids will say Milky bar because I heard it. Okay, next.
Mike.
Mike. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Mouse.
Okay, then
Math.
marigold,
Marigold.
marigold.
Five.
Mobiles. Yeah, mobiles. Then
And then money.
money. Okay.
Music mat.
Music
mat.
mats. Okay, like this. You just give them like sometimes we take them outside. Correct? We will be taking them outside either to the post office visit, that, these and all we will plan in the kindergartens, right? So you can just, whenever you take them outside, come on, I'm going to give you a hunt activity. Can you just look around and find any sound words? I will make you to buy something from it. Okay, anyone from the list. Okay, anyone from the list. You can divide them into the groups and ask them to go and search for it. Especially when you take them for the markets, like a big markets and all, right? So you can just give this kind of a task. So anyhow, no need to bill around. You can ask them to take into the basket, whichever goes with a sound, whichever goes with a sound, starting with a sound, you just collect it into the baskets. Live game, obviously, right? Live game. You don't need to buy all of that for sure. Okay, so this is how you can just make it up. That's the sound. No more complications. It's a simple sound. What is the action? Rub your tummy. That's it. Mm. The mom and the dad make many meals. Mmm. Mmm. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Clear? Clear? Yes. Next comes, this is actually my favorite musical song in Jolly Phonics. Okay, so let us look into the story of this. Later on, I'll make all of you to just sing into it. The little Danny, he was just cleaning up his room, and then when he opened his old toy cupboard, what he found?
Drum.
Drum. So once I found the drum, without even wasting a single minute, he started to
Dad.
play the drum. Correctly, the drums. And in his toy cupboard, he found many other old toys. He found his duck, dice, disc, dog, then toy donkey, many drawings, a dog toy, dartboard, digger. Correct? Digger, the JCB type. Digger, we call it as, right?
Dice.
Dice. Disc. Okay. Next, dragon. A toy dragon. Then
Dinosaur.
dino. Right? There is
Dino.
dino. Then
Dino.
that
Doodle.
dino, digger. Then
Doodle. Doodle.
doodle. Yes, doodles. Many doodles. Then
Donuts.
donuts. Okay, toy donuts. So like
Mhm.
this, he just found, and then he started to play the drums. How he started to sing and play the drums. You can see how joyfully he's just lifting his legs and playing the drums. So what is the action? Playing the drums. This is the action. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is a lot of fun with the See me play up on my drum. Okay, see me play on my drum. Playing drums is a lot of fun with the See me play up on my drum. What is the sound? D, 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 d. That's the individual sound. If you want to make some individual sound, how will you make? D, 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 uck, duck, d, ock, dog. Okay, d, o, r, door, d, I, dip. Then d, a, g, dug. Got it? D, ant. The ants dance.
Dad.
Daddy, dad. Dad.
Dolphin.
The dolphin. Yes, the dolphin. The die. The dartboard. The desk. Correct? Yes. Should we blend 4-letter word now? Desk. Somebody given a beautiful example. Desk. So now can I use the arm blending method? No. How many sounds does it has? Come on, make individual sounds. D, e, s, sk, desk. Okay, desk. So now let us blend it. Okay, let us blend it. So now whenever this kind of a situation comes, you can use a finger blending method. You have multiple fingers, right? You can blend 2 letter, 3 letter, 4 letter, 5 letters. Correct? Until the 5 letter words, you can teach. Ma'am, beyond that if it comes, the kids will be like the grown-ups by then. They don't need all these counting methodologies. They will blend in mind. For that, there comes a action blending technique. So these two, let us learn and move to the which group? Third group. Okay, come on, take down the second blending technique. That's a finger blending technique. I'll just write down the first two groups of sounds over here. First was arm blending technique. Now the second one is a finger blending technique. Let's blend these sounds now. Vedagi ma'am.
Ma'am, could you please just repeat the song for D? Actually, my connection was a little lower.
Sure, definitely. Come on. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is a lots of fun with the See me play upon my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is a lots of fun with a See me play upon my drum. 4 lines. Okay, 4 lines. In that third line is all about the sound. Okay, like this. Clear? Yes. Now, here comes the finger blending technique. Come on, hold up. How many fingers do you need? 4 fingers. So you just close all the fingers initially and start opening as you make each and every sound. So, if the particular sound is a draggable sound, you can slowly open it. If it is not a draggable sound like a E, what do you have to do? You have to quickly open it. Okay, so I have taken all the types of examples over here. And see? And you started to hear that pant. Correct? Pant. So now let me take desk, where e is not at all a draggable sound. Yes or no? Yes. Shilpa ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am, one second. I don't know whether there is problem with my network. Whenever you say any sound, no, any letter sound, I'm not able to hear that. Even now you said the P-A-N-T. Now, just I'm seeing your lip sync and I'm guessing. Is that problem with my network? I don't know.
No, I have clearly checked because it's a phonics class, right? My device is
Yeah.
properly framed up because you can
Your
listen.
volume is high, no? High, right?
Yeah,
To be honest.
100%. You can hear it
Yeah.
properly in my recordings also.
Yeah. Now, just from beginning only, I'm not able to hear the phonics sound. Actually, that sound only.
Might be sometimes when we log in through the mobile phones, right?
No,
From
I'm logging from my laptop only. My
laptop,
husband's
yeah,
laptop.
even laptop or a mobile phones. Okay, so you won't be able to hear it very clearly. Okay, so that happens when the students are listening it also. So you have to make sure whether when you are saying whether the students are able to consume that, means are able to understand and go better. You need to cross check with the devices when it is online class. See, Shilpa ma'am is facing that, right? See now,
Yeah.
example Shilpa ma'am. Okay, everyone just unmute without background disturbance, only those people. Okay. Krishna sir, I can see you first. Can you make a sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You made the sound?
Yeah.
Okay. Deepa ma'am, can you make sound? Audible?
It was not audible for
Yes,
me.
it is audible for me. Okay, it is audible for me
The
clearly.
problem with my
Maiza
network.
ma'am, one second, I'll tell you. Maiza ma'am,
Ma'am.
see, it's not audible. Correct? Gayatri ma'am,
Is it audible?
loudly you do. See, it's not audible. But Deepa ma'am's was audible. Look at her device and the rest of the devices. It's not that they are not doing. They are doing, but it is a device glitch. Okay, it is a
Yeah.
device glitch. That's it. Archana ma'am, can you make the sound? You will know about your devices now. Yes. See, she is doing. Rinsija ma'am? See, now this is audible. Correct? Kiran ma'am? Yes, clearly audible. Vedangi ma'am? See, this was literally very clear. Shilpa ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. Ah.
No.
Ah.
Ah is a audible sound only.
Okay.
Yeah, little bit audible. Shreya ma'am? Audible. Sara ma'am?
नाही येत मला तेच.
Do it again. Not audible. Debjani ma'am? Not shh. No. You do. You are doing shh sound. That's not shh. Okay. This is, do along with me. Sun. Say.
Sun. Sun.
An. Debjani ma'am alone.
Un.
An. Say.
Un.
Are
Un.
you a Punjabi?
No, ma'am. Bengali.
Bengali. Okay. Okay, done. Because we alone have that particular regional issue with this making a sh sound. Okay. So it's a sound. Okay. You need to practice little bit, ma'am. Mother tongue is showing a lots of influence on this particular sound. Okay. I will send you the recording for you, audio recording for you clearly. Okay.
Okay.
See, look at that. Okay. So now you came to know it's not like people are not doing, they are doing, but
No, they are doing, but maybe it's not audible for me.
audio glitch.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
There will be a device glitch. Okay.
So
Make
you'll
sure.
be sending me the recording of the sound?
Yeah, I will share it for you. That really doesn't matter.
Yeah, that
When
because I'm
rewatch,
concentrating
see, when
on
you
that.
rewatch the
Yeah.
recordings also, it will be clearly audible for you. Okay. Clearly audible.
Okay, I'll try it out once.
Yes, yes. Okay. Come on. We were here where the sound is not at all the draggable one. D sound is also cannot be dragged. When you drag the d sound, it will become da. What is coming? Sound is coming, right? So don't drag it. Okay, don't drag it. So now, come on, let's go with the ask. The ask. The S. Okay, like this. Ma'am, but S is draggable one, right? So I would like to drag it. The ask. The ask. The ask. The ask. The ask. Desk. See? Only when you open it up quickly and if you don't drag only, you will get that. Or else it will become desk. Okay? It will never be desk. It will be desk. Desk. Okay? Is that the proper pronunciation? No, it's not a proper word. Okay? Whichever you can drag, you should not drag. You should clearly tell the students. Okay? Clearly tell the students. Next, talk. All you can drag in that. Correct? S, and, s, and, and, pan, like this. Okay. Next, spin, which cannot be dragged. E sound cannot be dragged. S, p, I, s, p, in, s, s, got it? Spin like this. Using the fingers, you can do that. Okay, which can be dragged slowly, you can open. Which cannot, just open. Okay, yes. How many days it's been you are learning phonics? How many days? 4 days. 4 days. How many of you are learning it's completely, ma'am? These sounds, these things are very new for me, or your methodology is new for me? Okay, come on, just raise your hand.
I was aware of the things, but so deeply, it's new for me.
Okay, so deeply is completely new.
I used to come in the
Maximum
class
class.
like when my son was learning, so itna deeply I was not aware.
Okay, okay. Now you are learning the
Same with me.
subject.
Yeah.
Okay,
Same
now
with
you are
me.
learning the subject. Okay, maximum class is completely new. You might have thought it will take long time for me to shift from the alphabets A, B, C, D to the phonic sounds. Correct? A, B, C, D to the phonic sounds. But let us see how quickly your brain has adapted it. Are you all ready to see like how quickly you have adapted to the phonics? Wants to check your mind? Wants to check your mind? Yes. Come on, let's
Yes.
go with a quick practice of all the sounds that we have learned. 4 to 5 times. Okay, 4 to 5 times. Let's go with a quick practice. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go start. S, s, ah, e, e, I know how to do the actions. Come on, do the actions. Practice it. Practice it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sumaya ma'am, come on. Ah, ah, e, e, mm, k, k, e, mm, Once again, if you want to win the next game, you need to do it. You need to remember all the actions. Come on. E, e, Next. Now, I will show you one word which is within these sounds. You need to guess the word. Ready? I will show you the actions alone, that too one time. Okay, that too one time I will show you. Let me see who is going to guess it faster. Okay, guess it faster. For you, 100%, I will be sending you one extra gift along with your teacher training guidance book. Okay, chalo, who is going to win? Okay, so I'll be showing you 10 different words in a go. Okay, chalo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Pin, pin,
I
pin,
don't
pin,
want you to
pin,
blend it. I
pin,
want
pin, pin,
don't say anything. Only the word you need to say. This is cancel. Okay, you
Okay,
can
okay.
say along with me like if I say this pin. Okay, pin. Yeah, that's the final answer I want. Pin. Okay? Yes. Come on. Next. Okay, ready?
Red.
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 Kiran
Red.
ma'am answered.
Red.
Okay,
Red.
red. Okay,
I
chalo.
have said red. First.
No, Kiran ma'am answered. We have recording proof. Okay, we have the recording proof.
At the same time, maybe.
Okay, we will see. We will see. Okay, finally. Okay, chalo.
Okay.
Next. Okay.
Nap.
Nap.
Shreya ma'am this time.
Nap.
Yes, it's a nap. Shreya ma'am this time. Okay. Next.
Sip.
Kiran ma'am. Kiran ma'am. Sip. Okay, sip.
Myself also told, ma'am.
Deepa ma'am, you were second. You were second.
also, ma'am.
Archana ma'am was simultaneously answering.
First time pen myself is told, ma'am. Then now itself also I am told, ma'am.
Okay, loudly this time. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Little. Pay attention.
Ink.
Somebody said, but I missed out looking into it. Might be Gayatri ma'am's voice, I felt. Okay, Gayatri.
My internet is so bad that
Okay.
Ink.
I will cross check. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will cross check in the recording. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Man. I said first man.
Man.
Shreya ma'am. Yes, man. Okay. Now it can be any letter, like number of letters are going to increase. Okay. You need to wait until I complete. Okay. You need to wait until I complete. Okay. It can be 5 letter, 6 letter. Until I stop, you need to go ahead with that. Okay. Okay. We go start.
Snap.
Snap.
Okay. Deepa ma'am, you can watch the recording. Okay. Yeah, it was Kiran ma'am. Come on. But you are
No problem.
Come on.
I tried.
Okay. Next. Let me throw you a little one. Okay.
Can.
Satin.
Satin. Kiran ma'am, correct. Satin. Yes, correct. Satin. It was a 5-letter word, satin. Now tell me, I'll just stop it over here. I'll give you one more chance. Let's shift the things out. Now, when I was showing you the actions, just take it directly to the mind and just try to understand what was going on inside you. When I was showing you this, were you counting it like R, E, D, or were you counting like, okay, she's doing this. Okay, she's doing red. Was your brain working in this way?
Yes.
RED
What
red.
you are doing? My brain is also.
RED.
Okay. When I was doing some other sound, like something I did with k sound, no, ink. Okay, like this. Was your brain saying I-N-K?
NK.
No, it was saying ink. Correct?
Your
Your
INK.
brain has started working with the phonics. How many days? 4 hours. Just a 4 hours. Okay, so 4 days with 8 hours journey. Okay, so now don't you think the children will adapt it so easily? We being distracted for long hours and with many different things, but the children being open to learn, they will adapt within the 2 days time. That's the beauty of Jolly Phonics. And you came to know the importance of actions, right? Correct? How
Yes,
nicely
ma'am.
they are helping our brain to train up with the phonics, to adapt the phonics while blending. And this is a very important, whatever we have went through, this game is nothing but action blending technique. Which blending technique is this? Action.
Action blending technique.
So,
Okay.
this traditional method of doing the arm blending, finger blending, right, taking it to the brain. So, when they look into it, so it has to start blending, which will help us to shift from here to there, action blending technique. Okay, so now each one of you will be throwing a challenge to the rest of the team. I'll be spotlighting you. Okay, so now, firstly, who will do? Deepa ma'am, I'll give you the opportunity for you. Okay, it can be 3-letter word, 4-letter word. Everyone think about one word. Come on, think about one word. You have to show the action for rest of the team and they will guess. Deepa ma'am, ready? Okay, take a minute time. No issue. Everyone think about the word. Think about the word within this, within these sounds only, and little bigger word that you can frame and trick them out. And little odd word like ink, because ink, the vowel itself came first, correct? If you are ready, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Deepa ma'am, 1 second, I'll spotlight. I'll say start, then you can start. Yes, Deepa ma'am, everyone can see you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go, start.
Nap.
No, she's not yet done.
Finished, ma'am.
Come on. Remember, give the work for your revised session of your brain. Okay, one more time, ma'am. They thought it's a 3-letter word, but you have given them the challenge. Okay, come on, one more, come on, one more time. Same actions, go ahead. She really has given very good.
Ink. Mm. Yeah. Rapid?
Rapid.
Rapid?
Ma'am, ma'am, one person is telling rapid is correct, ma'am.
Rapid.
Yes, ma'am.
Rapid.
I have said,
Nice.
rapid. I have said.
You are doing correct.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Here,
Yeah.
Rapid. Okay, rapid was the right one. Kiran ma'am, are you ready?
It has to be like more than 3-letter word.
Anything it can be. It can be 2-letter word also. It's left to you. Shall I replace the spotlight for you? Followed by, wait, I'll search for the silent one in the class. Sarah ma'am. Okay, yeah, chalo. Sarah ma'am, next is your. Kiran ma'am, everyone are looking at you. Ready? Go.
Just a minute, I need to.
Okay. Everyone, just get trained with one word. Quickly. She's looking for a possible tricky one.
E, what was this?
Eh.
By the time you take somebody else, I'll let you
Okay, Sarah ma'am, are you ready?
know.
Okay, yeah, chalo. Yes, Sarah ma'am. Go ahead. Okay. What's the word?
Din.
Del.
Yes, then. Correct. Shilpa ma'am, are you ready? Chalo. Start. Start. Okay.
E.
Cat.
Cat.
Yes. Gayatri ma'am, are you ready? Followed by Archana ma'am. Gayatri ma'am, are you ready? Yes, I'm replacing the spotlight. 1 minute, Gayatri ma'am. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Map.
Yes, Archana ma'am, I'm replacing the spotlight for you. Go. Pen.
Pin.
Pen.
Pen.
Ma'am, are you ready?
Pin.
Pen.
Pin.
Pin.
Pin. Yeah,
Pin.
pin. Yes. Maiza, ma'am, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start.
Hat.
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 Hat. How
Hat.
come it's a no? Ands on the arm have shown. Yes, hat. Okay, Devjani,
Hat.
ma'am, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, followed by Sumaya, ma'am. Sumaya, ma'am, you be ready. Come on, Devjani, start.
Sing.
No, it was E sound. Instead of that, she have shown E. Correct. Come on, show the E sound, Devjani, ma'am. That is the E sound. You are showing the egg action, no?
Sip, sip.
No, it was spin, I think.
Pin.
Safety pin.
What?
Ma'am, safety pin.
Pin. Safety.
Pin.
Okay, it was
Safety
a
pin,
pin.
ma'am. Safety pin.
Safety pin. That much big word you have shown. Come on. Show me. Show me the actions once again. Come on, make the sounds and do that. E. H. Sep.
Keep quiet.
Safety pin. S-A-F-E. S-A-F-E. Safe. Okay. T-Y-T. P-I-N. Pin. Such a big one, right? Safety. Okay, no, actually, that's completely safety itself is a tricky word. Safe itself is a long vowel sound it has, and that too with a magic key rule. Okay, okay, so you just make sure safe will not go with the A sound. Have you learned A sound? Have you learned the A sound yet? No,
No.
you have seen the A, E, E. That's the vowel sounds you have seen. Correct? Okay, Vedangi ma'am, are you ready? Shall I replace the spotlight? Yeah. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Ma'am, tell me,
Kite.
are you done with the cake?
Kite. Correct.
Cake?
Kite.
No, no.
Cake.
No,
Kite.
that was cake, right, right, Vedangi ma'am. You thought of cake. Now tell me, you have shown me this. K,
Wait.
k, everyone. K, a, k, e. Kake? No. Correct. So check with the sounds also how it is going. Correct. Kake? No. A dashi, which again goes with the magic key word, which is a k. Cake. These are the sounds in cake. Correct. When we split, you just elaborate and hear the sounds. Okay. Now there will be some word like kite. Kite. What are the sounds? Kite. Is the I sound done for you? No, right? There is no I sound at all. You have learned. You have learned the s, a, e. Right. K, e, r, d. No I sound at all. No A sound at all. So concentrate on the sounds first. Okay, sounds will make you leave you tricky. Clear? Okay, clear. Now quickly take 5 minutes break and come back and start with the third group of sounds and let's go in depth of the concept. Okay, so 5 minutes break. Yes. Come back, everyone.
Ma'am,
Hmm? Who said ma'am?
ma'am,
Ah, Maiza
I
ma'am.
have it. Ma'am, under what basis these sounds are categorized into 7 groups?
See, the first most thing is first three groups when we consider. So these are the mix of the consonant and the short vowels. Okay, the short vowels are like based on like easy to hard, that's it. Which are easy, which are less complicated, which do not have a many alternative spellings, which do not need any of the rule to remember it or understand it. So in that way, they have taken it from easy to hard, that's it. Getting my point? Okay, just as a easy to hard. Okay. See, to your question. Okay, to your question, Maisa ma'am. Why the G is not there in the first group? Okay, on what basis? Why they have pushed it into the third group? Because the G, okay, the letter G makes a G sound like in goat, goat, gun, girl. But it also makes them confuses us. Giraffe, ginger, gym. It is also making a gym. Ma'am, how will I come to know whether it makes a j sound? There is a rule. Don't worry. There is a rule. Can easily tell because of this rule only it is making a j sound. But why haven't they taken in the first group? You understood? Because it has some complication. So they pushed it down. They pushed it down. That's it. On that particular category, they just have made out these things. Okay. Why they have pushed the sound to the very end, to the sixth group, that too. Okay, to the sixth group, because whenever it is at the beginning with a hyphen, it makes a X sound, X-ray, Xmas. Whenever it is at the end of a word like ox, fox, ox, box, ax, max, what sound is it making? Sound it is making. Whenever it is with Y, it makes a Z sound like in xylophone. Whenever it is with E, it makes a Xerox. Xerox. Whenever it is with Y and E, it makes a Z sound whenever it is at the beginning. Hence, it has these many things to learn and these many complications. Obviously, can it be placed in the first group? Chalo, you move down.
Ma'am, but in the first,
From easy to the difficult. Okay, in this way. And yeah sound, again in the sixth group, ma'am, what is there? It is just a single sound. No, it's a semi-vowel which can make a y sound, which can make a I sound, which can make a E sound. Got it? Getting my point? The which are very pure and no more complications sorted first. Later on, sorted like easy, you go first, you go first, you go first, you go first. So all the difficult ones started to fall down, 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 down. So based on this, they have arranged it. That's it. Got it? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's just like in the examination. If you have only 2 days left, you will start reading the easy questions first and the last bigger one later, you push it out, right? Just in that way, they have sorted natural formula. Okay, just a natural flowing formula. Okay. So here comes the next sound. That's a G sound. Come on, tell me what and all things that you can see.
Girl. Gloves.
Girl.
Grapes,
I'm saying
Glass.
Come on.
grapes,
Gloves.
Grapes.
Glass. Glass.
The grapes on the
bag,
Bag.
Arrange the
Bag.
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 Frame.
She is gargling.
frame,
She is
Glass.
tree,
yes.
goose,
She is gargling. Correct? Yeah.
Gargling.
Glass.
goose,
Think you
goose,
can find
Ma'am, gloves.
goose outside. Correct. Glass. Yes. She's holding the glass. Then
goose,
Are
Ma'am,
those
gloves.
ducks?
Garbage under the sink.
gloves. Gloves. Correct. Then
Gloves.
Brush.
shovel,
somebody said goose and geese. Yes. Correct. Then
shovel,
yeah, there is a towel. Then
Bucket.
bucket.
dustbin,
Yeah, there is a bucket.
dustbin, dustbin,
What is the dustbin? I cannot find the dustbin. It's a bucket.
It's a bucket.
Gloves.
plumbing,
You can see which color dress is she wearing?
green,
Green. And then what else
green
can we
scenery
see?
is there,
Gate. Yeah,
Garden.
garden,
Garden.
gate,
Garden.
goat, frog,
Garden.
sitting on the window pane, frog, glass pane, right? The glass pane, frog. Now, what exactly happened? Let us look into the story. What shall we name her as Gayatri? Okay, so now the little Gayatri who is wearing the green dress, she is excited to know something. What happened? The sink was blocked. The sink was blocked. And the parents called plumber. Who is there to fix the sink? There was a plumber. So to fix the sink, he started to wear the gloves. Okay, he started to wear the gloves and he just cleared the drain pipe. Once the drain pipe was cleared, the block in the drain pipe was cleared, the water started to move down. When so suddenly the block is cleared, the water, stored water moves down. Will it take a spiral shape? Yes, it takes a spiral shape. And it started to make a sound like this is how the water in the sink drains down, correct? When the block. So it started to make sound. This little Gayatri, who was so excited to watch out, like, what is this plumber doing? Can I fix it next time? Okay, without this plumber, can I fix that next time? Usually the kids will be like that, right? Electrician comes, carpenter comes, or any other, the gas pipe wala comes or stove wala comes. So what they do, they will be excited and they will be roaming around there. What is he doing? Why is he opening that? How can he open? Okay, my little one. Okay, so she started doing that screwdriver one and all. Okay, she holds a screwdriver and starts removing that. Okay, yeah, they will be equally excited. So little Gayatri also started to find it what exciting. Okay, so just discuss about the rest of the things which are in and around. Okay, around the scene. How was the water moving down, making a sound like g g g g g. How was the water moving in a spiral shape? It was moving down and in a spiral shape. This is the action. Make a sound. G g g g g g g g g. Now let me come to the sound. What is she doing? You said gargling. Gargling is something which we do for the throat. Okay, which we do for the throat, salt water gargling. But when the water is moving down the drain pipe and making the g g g g g g, it cannot be gargling, right? The pipe is gargling, do we say? We say gurgling. G-U-R-G-L-E. Okay, that is G-A-R-G-L-E is this. This moving down and making g g g g g is gurgling. Two different words. Okay, two different words over here. Gargle, gurgle. This is water sound in the apartments. This is a salt water one. Okay, salt water one. Two different words. Clear? Yes. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain, making a sound like g g g g g. Okay. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G g g g g. This is what? Repeat the same line. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain, making a sound like g g g g g. Clear? Now come on, tell me. Go ahead with the animals quickly. Goat,
Goat,
Giraffe.
giraffe,
giraffe now.
It's not
Giraffe, not giraffe.
gorilla,
The gorilla.
Goose.
Say the sound first, followed by the animal or
goat,
the goose, like that. Okay, yes. Come on, tell me. The
Goat.
gorilla, then
Goat.
goat,
goat,
birds. Yeah, goose, geese. Then fruits,
The grape.
Guava.
grapes,
Kangaroo.
Gooseberry.
gooseberry,
guava,
guava.
Kangaroo.
Yes.
guava, guava, guava,
Yeah, Goa. Then
ma'am, grapes,
grapes. Yes. Vegetables,
guava,
gooseberry.
gooseberry,
Vegetables, I asked.
vegetable,
Green peas.
Vegetables, green.
Green. Garlic.
garlic,
garlic,
The garlic. Ginger.
no,
Okay, which goes with a gentle Cindy rule. Okay, we call that as a gentle Cindy rule. For now, you just keep the rule name enough. Okay, next. If you want to take few objects to the class, what will you take from the home?
Glass.
glass,
Glass,
Glass.
glass,
Gloves.
gloves, gloves,
Gloves. Toy gun.
gloves,
Toy gun.
Goat toy. Goat toy.
Goggle. Goggle.
toy goat, girl toy.
Goggle.
glue,
Okay. Goggles,
gum,
gum,
Gum.
glue,
glue,
glitter, glitter,
Paper.
glitter, glitter,
green.
glitter,
Okay.
ghee,
Ghee,
glitters,
and toy,
glitters,
glitters, yes.
glitters,
Okay, glitters. Okay, okay, done. Okay.
Ma'am, someone said ghee. Ghee.
Ghee. What's there?
Nee, it's a ghee or ghee. It's a ghee, na? Ga.
Making a g, both combined with ghee. That's it.
Ghee.
Ha sound is also there, but it is not an English word to apply the phonics. That's it.
Okay.
Why you are getting? Because it is a Sanskrit word. Okay, so to be properly taken, the ghee, whatever you take, it's actually of the
Ghee.
Sanskrit origin or Arabic origin, I forgot. But it is 100% not an English word. 1 second, wait. I'll just search. Yeah, it's a Sanskrit. Grata. Okay, yeah, I remember that. Yeah, Sanskrit word. Actually, that's why we have a g, that one. In Indian languages, we have that, right? So because
So
of
can we consider it in g sound?
ghee. Yes.
Ghee.
Okay, yes.
So
But
ghee.
if you want to properly pronounce it in Indian language, ghee, you need to pronounce it.
Yeah.
But when we are speaking, we don't say, bring me that ghee. We don't say that. We say ghee. Ghee. Right? So it goes with ghee.
Okay.
Good sound. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Then, chalo. Next.
What?
Gift.
gun,
Okay, gift. Okay.
ma'am, gold,
Gate.
Gate. Yes.
Geeta.
You cannot carry and go, but you can show it there. Right? Yes. Next. Coming with the one more sound. Pretend like you are turning on the switch and off the switch. On, on,
On.
on,
On.
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 See,
On.
now here comes on. It's not
On.
I'm muting everyone.
On.
The hardest sound, okay, that you need to consider making it right way. An. Can I say an? How is it audible? Right. It's literally not at all a English pronunciation. An. No. Own. Own. Look at my mouth. Own. It's like this. Own. No. Then what is it? Instead of a O, it has to turn ovular in shape. How do the mouth has to open? It has to open in a ovular shape like this. Look at my mouth. On. On. Look at my mouth. Can you find the vowel in my mouth? On. You cannot make O. Okay, O, you have to bring the lips together to make its letter name sound. But it's not a letter name sound, it's a letter sound you are doing. Correct? Okay? On. Come on, along with me. On.
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 Opening like complete opening.
On.
Mute and make the sounds.
On.
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 Come one by one. Shrey, ma'am, do the sound. On, you say.
On.
Do the sound.
On.
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 Ma'am, do the sound.
On.
Now it is correct. Ma'am.
Off.
Kiran, ma'am.
On.
Sarah, ma'am, do the sound.
On.
Correct. Archana, ma'am, do the sound.
On.
Krishna, make the sound. Krishna, sir. On.
On.
Correct. Gayatri, ma'am, do the sound.
On.
Umaya, ma'am.
On.
Debjani, ma'am.
On.
Maiza, ma'am.
On.
Come again.
On.
Can hear the Malayalam slang in that. Are you a Malayali?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So come on. On.
On.
Yeah, little bit. You need to bring it. Okay, bring it out. Okay, bring it out. On.
On.
You say on. Just imitate me. On.
On.
O. Not O. It's O. Look at me. O. O. No. O. No. You say? Correct. That's the sound. Okay, practice now. Unmute, mute yourself and practice. On. Orange, like that. Come on, practice. Who's there? Rinsija ma'am.
On.
Shilpa ma'am.
On.
Come again.
On.
Correct.
On.
Yes. Shreya ma'am. Shreya ma'am.
Yeah. No. On.
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 Yes. Vedangi ma'am, finally.
On.
Okay, clear. Okay, because many of them will not get this particular sound. It goes with no. Okay, no. Okay, you're getting my mouth expression, right? Is it the right one? Look at my mouth and say, see? If it is a right one, thumbs up. I'll mute myself. Look at my mouth and answer now. Okay? Look at my mouth and you need to answer. I will be muting myself. Okay, correct? Thumbs up, everyone. No, ma'am, it's wrong. Your mouth is showing a wrong pronunciation. This. Okay, correct this. Come on, everyone.
Oh.
Got it right? Got it right? Yes. That's it. Okay, that's it. On. Let us look at the total of this. You can see it's night. And what are these kids doing? They are sleeping on their, which bed is this? This is my favorite bed. Bunker bed.
Bunker bed.
Right? It's a bunker bed. The little boy is not at all feeling sleepy and he started to play with the light by turning on the switch and off the switch. Okay, making a sound like on, off, on, off. Okay, so now here in and around you find the objects. Octopus, the teddy bear on the boy. Correct. There is a ostrich. Correct, ostrich. Take the off the middle like mop, box, box.
Top.
There is a hot bag.
Hot bag.
Hot bag. There are dots. The
Dots.
dot. Then
Top.
socks. Correct. Socks.
Top. Top.
Top.
Top.
Top.
Top.
Table.
Okay. Yeah, there is a
Top.
there is a hot cup, right? Hot. Okay, hot like this. Anyone can sing me Old MacDonald's, my dear teachers and moms? No need to be exact, but try it. Who will sing?
Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
That's it.
Yes. And
No,
on
no,
his farm he has some
playing
dogs.
this
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
Bobo here and a bobo there, here bobo there, bobo everywhere, bobo. Old
Oh,
MacDonald
McDonald's
had
farm.
Had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
In his farm, he had some
He
horse.
had just mouse.
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
Here,
The dog is
there, here, there, oh, McDonald's had a farm.
had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Now I don't want old McDonald's. Remember the tune. Okay. When it's dark, the lights go on. Oh. It's time for bed. The lights go off. Oh. Night. It's night. The lights go on. When it's time to sleep, obviously the lights go off.
Off.
When it's time, when it's dark, the lights go on. Oh. This is action. Turning on the light. Okay. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. Clear? Okay. Yes, this is the song. Now, obviously, this is a vowel. You cannot find n number of words which is starting with. Okay. So most of the time, the vowels, whenever it comes, okay, it comes with the o sound. With a very few cases, it goes with the o sound. Most of the cases. Okay. So in that time, you need to pick the right examples. Where will you find all these examples? Right one. Word booklet. Ma'am, where is it? It is already shared. Okay, it is already shared. Kindly open the materials which has been shared. I have shared you the Jolly Phonics certificates as well, which you can print and sign and give it for the kids. Okay, so ma'am, then my academy, I don't have an academy. I'm just a tuition teacher. I take home tuitions. Can I print and give? Yes, only your signature. Being a professional phonics teacher with our certificate, it is valid. No need to open any kind of academy or anything. Okay, you can issue that. Officially, the Jolly Phonics itself has announced it. You can print and use it. Okay, proper certificates I have shared. What else has been shared? Teacher training guidance book has been shared. Correct? Every day I'm sharing the Cartoonito sheets. Have you opened it and seen? Printable sheets. You can print 100 sheets and you can use it. Printable sheets. No copyright issues. It is available in the proper Jolly Learning private jollylearning.com .in.com uk.in. Okay, yes, so there it's there also they have published it. You can utilize it. Okay, whatever I am sharing right now is without any copyright issues. You can print, you can use, except my teacher training guidance book. Okay, yes. So next comes the what sound? Can you guess?
G, g.
A umbrella, right? Yes, a umbrella. Okay. So you can see it's a rainy day. The little kids, you can find they are very well dressed up. Raincoats to keep being wet. Okay, keep away the being wet. They're also wearing the raincoats, rain boots. Okay, so they are happily playing in the puddles of water, and they have turned on the umbrellas too to give themselves dry. Correct? So many more things. Many more things you can find it out. So when it is raining, to keep ourselves dry, what will we turn on? Umbrella, right? How do we turn on the umbrellas? Holding the umbrella like this. Press the button, open. Up, go umbrella. Correct? Up, go umbrella. So this is the action. Up, go umbrellas. Up, go umbrellas. Up, go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Okay, when it starts to rain, when you feel like plural is little odd to tune up, you can go with the singular also. Up, go umbrella. Up, go umbrella. Up, go umbrella when it starts to rain. The first most famous example we give is a unicorn nowadays. Unicorn. Where is the sound in it? Unicorn, do you say? No. So, ma'am, how to avoid these things? See, there is one small rule that you need to understand. Like this. See, look into this. When you observe the pattern, whenever U, N, and I, these three letters are together, the letter U is making its letter name sound, like U. Correct? So, when does it make its letter name sound? Whenever it is accompanied with N and I. Okay, U-N-I, uni. You have to make a letter name sound here. And whenever you can find U and I is not there, just a UN, correct? Not the three. So it goes with the letter sound, understand, up, under. Okay, so heart, nut in the CBC words also it takes its letter name. Clear? Heart, nut, cut. Put is a tricky word. Okay, put is a tricky word. Don't take that example. Mud. Okay, mud like this. Clear with the sounds?
Cut.
Okay, clear with the sounds. So I'll just stop the sounds and I'm going to the intermediate level right now. Okay, clearly open some fresh page. Vedangi ma'am. Vedangi ma'am.
Ma'am, for the yeah, I'm so sorry because of the network connection. I think maybe the voice might come a little late. Am I audible? Yeah, yeah. For onion, how do we pronounce it?
It's a onion. It's a onion.
Okay, okay.
Okay, onion. Onion is the pronunciation.
So
Onion.
it will also
It will
go
not
in
go
the
with the
tricky word or it has another rule, right?
it's a some other origin word.
Huh.
It's not at all an English word. Okay, some other origin word.
Okay.
Yeah. Open the fresh page and write it down at the intermediate level. And along with all these dots, I have shared you for the teacher's reference, the level wise, I have categorized. That PDF has been also shared. How many times you can open and see? Just open and see until the 10 days because you will come to know which concept goes where. Okay, so whenever possible, I'll be telling you open the fresh page, write it down under the intermediate level. To make sure very clear, open the second page also. Next, after writing that intermediate level, now open the very next page. Basic level concepts. Deepa ma'am, write it down. Basic level concepts. Take it directly to mind. Okay? Only the 42 sounds, only the 42, pure 42 sounds with stories, actions, and songs.
This has to write in basic level, na?
Basic level, second page. First page you have written
Okay.
intermediate level, leave it over there. Okay,
Okay.
next
Only the
basic level.
Basic level, what we have to write? Only
42
the
only
sounds
the
along with stories,
only
actions, and the
only the 42.
only the 42 sounds, pure 42 sounds
along with the
with
stories,
stories,
actions.
songs, and actions you need to teach them. Second point itself, you write down no concepts, no rules, no concepts to be taught in the basic level. No concepts, no rules, cross mark, no rules, no more alternative spellings at all. Don't teach them the alternative spellings at all.
More alternative.
Okay. Next, third point, blending. Blending of 2-letter, 3-letter, 4-letter, 5-letter words, depending on the age. If you are teaching 4th standard kid, you can go with the 6-letter words also, doesn't matter. Blending of 2-letter, 3-letter, 4, 5-letter words. Segmenting. Next, tricky words.
Segmenting the keywords.
Segmenting, next point, tricky words. There are 72 tricky words in Jolly Phonics. Okay, understand? There are how many tricky words in Jolly Phonics? What point is this? Fifth point, right? Okay, tricky words is the fifth point.
70.
72.
70.
Out of 72, you will be teaching them only 15 words here. That's it. Not all the 72 tricky words. In the basic level, how many tricky words? Only 15 tricky words. Simple sentence reading. Got it? Only These things needs to be taught in the basic level. What will you teach? 42 sounds. Along with 42 sounds, you will teach them blending, segmenting. After segmenting, after finishing all the 42 sounds, at the end, you will teach them tricky words and then only you will go to the simple sentence reading. Now don't ask me, ma'am, do I need to teach the vowels here? Is the vowels included, concept included? No. Cat rule here. Do I have given you in the list? No. Okay, ma'am, do I need to teach them the alternative spellings here? Do I have included? No. Okay, this tricky word, that tricky word, clearly I have given in the teacher training that reference book. What tricky words to teach? Tricky words I have typed all the 15. Okay, only that tricky words needs to be taught. This readers, there is a concept I will discuss later. Okay, what readers? Simple readers means which color readers and all samples I'll be sharing. I'll tell you. That is a different module. Okay, now intermediate level page. Clearly go back. The first most chapter in the intermediate level. Okay, when they finish the basic level, how many sessions will it take to finish the basic level? Are the 60 sessions. Okay, 50 to 60 sessions minimum it will take for a teacher. Each session 45 minutes to 50 minutes. This I will discuss on different module, but for your understanding right now, because I'm taking you to the next level, right? Okay, how many? 50 to 60 sessions. 50 to 60 days almost. Okay, 50
Ma'am,
days, ma'am. Shall I take it continuously for 2 months? Yes, you can take. Ma'am, but I want some alternative days because phonics is not a proper systematic subject like maths or science that they need to practice every day. It's a part of English. Correct? It is a part of English, so you can go with the alternative days. Even in a kindergarten school, they teach phonics only twice, 2 days. That's it. Okay, 2 days. Or if it is a every day, they teach 15 minutes. That's it. Again, it comes to the 2 days curriculum only. Okay, because 5 days in a kindergarten, right? So that's the timing that you can dedicate, and they need that time to understand and digest that concept, the nursery and LKG kids. Don't rush. Don't rush. Ma'am, then what is your suggestion? If you ask me, at least minimum take it for the 6 to 8 months basic level. How many months? 6 to 8 months basic level. Whatever you have written, no, 42 sounds, that, this, segmenting, blending and all. Include more number of words for them. Okay, for the blending process, segmenting, give them the practice nicely. Okay, few more sentences, beautiful writings you see. Okay, all these things you include it. 60 sessions are the minimum number of sessions that you can go with basic level. Similarly, this takes 8 months. Okay, if you take weekly 2 days class, how many months? Weekly 2 days class, monthly 8 classes. 8 8s are 64. So 8 months. Okay, 8 months it will take. And next 8 months will be intermediate level, 60 sessions. Next 8 months will be advanced level, 60 sessions. This is how basic, intermediate and advanced level goes. Totally 24 months of program, just like Abacus or something. Correct? Abacus, we have 8 levels over there, 3 months program. But here it is quite different, 8 months program. Okay? Clear?
ma'am,
Yes.
we have to teach them one letter in one day. For around 2-3 times one letter, no?
See, that lesson planning, I will take you one more day. Okay, that
Okay.
60 days, 60 classes, what will it be? In depth of that modules, we will go later. Okay, but you understood, right? So what concepts to teach you?
Yeah, sure.
No, it is 8 months course and these are the concepts. In each day, what to do, I'll teach you. There is separate module I have planned for you people. You can go accordingly. Okay, when you know like complete syllabus, you will understand what to teach. I'm yet in little bit like still started out, right? Okay, so I need little more time so that I can make you understand. Now, when you finish off these basic levels, so now the kids already know the 42 sounds. Now you think you are teaching them intermediate level means kids already know 42 sounds. Kids know tricky words. Kids have blended more than 800 to 1000 words. They already know the little tiny thoughts. Now they know if you throw them some dictation word, they can able to divide them into the sounds. They are able to read some simple sentences like I am a boy, he is a girl, there are four foxes or something like that. Small sentences they are able to read. For these kids, you are teaching them the concept of vowels. Okay, now you be in that mindset right now. Okay, so that's a intermediate level. In the intermediate level, the first concept is a short vowel concept. Short vowels. Do I need to teach the short vowels? They already know it. In the basic level only, they know the sounds. What are you doing? You are grouping them together and teaching them, my dear, these are of a different group. These are known as short vowels. That's it. What are short vowels? Do the kid in basic level know how to read it? Yes, they know it's a second sound.
E.
That Deepa ma'am. Okay. Press that. E.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
Like a dog bite. Look at the mouth. Look at my mouth. Like I'm biting someone. Like this. Okay, got it? That's a. So do the kids already know this in the basic level? Yes, it's there in basic 42 sounds. Bring all the five together and tell them these short vowels. We call them what? All five together. We call them short vowels. So now they need to remember, no, which five are the short vowels. You can teach them one song. Okay, you can teach them one song and you need to prepare some activities also. Okay, come on. Look at this. Listen to me. Don't repeat. Okay, don't repeat. I'm syncing the action. I'm syncing the song. Okay, in a proper way. Come on. I'm just muting all the participants. You have to do it along with me later. Just listen. Try to bring it down from your mind. E, I, O, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, are the short vowels we use. Look at that again. A, E, I, O, E, I, O, E, I, O, are the short vowels we use. Are the five different sounds? Are these the five different sounds? Clearly audible, right? A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, are the short vowels we use. Will you do the action along with me, singing all the five vowels together? Yes, don't unmute, don't unmute. Okay, yes, chalo. I'm looking into everyone who are doing the actions. Come on, here to that properly. Look at the actions, practice. A, E, I, O, A, E, I. Let's do slowly only, okay? I, O, A, E, I, O, A. Okay, I'll go little bit slowly, okay? Come on, do along with A, E, I, O, A, E, I, A are the short vowels we use when they are reading it, are the short vowels we read when they are writing it, are the short vowels we write. You change the lyrics accordingly. Okay, actually, we use. How we use, you can change that use word. We write, we sing. Okay, like that. Clear? Now I just went in the 0.5x speed. Okay, now let us go with 1x speed. Okay, come on. A, E, I, O. See, I will show you like a dance steps. Okay, see, one. Next, you bring it like this, the same like this, and this comes back like this. Okay, practice initially until you get that. Okay, yes, come on. 1, 2, 2, 2. Come on, Kiran ma'am. Yeah, 2. Is that 2? $1 imitating me. Come on. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Next. 4, 5. Okay. Slowly you do and practice some 10 times. See, one time if you consciously practice as adult brain, it will take. That one time conscious making is much more important. Okay, it's not like being adults, we don't understand any concept. Anything one time if we read, we are in a stage of understanding. Let it be. If you do the masters once again, you can get the concepts within no time. But only thing is we don't concentrate. Okay, you need to concentrate. You feel like, yes, I need to learn and sing twice or thrice. I'll send you the YouTube song of this. Okay, listen to that and practice it. Okay, what exactly will be the speed of this? I will show you. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O are the short vowels we use. In this speed, you need to practice tomorrow and come back. Okay, now here comes. We are in an intermediate level. In the basic level itself, 1 minute. Huh? ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు? Just a moment. Yes. Okay. So in the what? Basic level itself, we just got them the awareness of the adjectives. Unknowingly, we just have introduced them. Okay. So now here in the intermediate level, we need to bring them the consciousness of prepositions. Through which, from the first very beginning lesson of the intermediate level only, what are the prepositions that we can teach them along with the vowels? Let us see. Okay, it has to start with that. This goes with at the side of something. Okay, at. So where is the marker? Marker is at the side of the bottle. Correct? This is at the side. Okay, this is at the side. Next, edge. Edge. Where is the marker? At the edge of the bottle. Correct? It is about to fall. It is about to fall. Edge of the bottle. Edge. Are you getting how I am relating it? The preposition starts with at. The preposition is starting with edge. Now where is the marker? Inside the box. Pretend this as a box. Okay, inside the box. Okay, where is the marker? Inside the box. Correct? In. On. On. Where is the marker? On the box. Okay, on the box or on the bottom. Where is the marker? Under the bottle. Correct? Under the bottle. Okay. Box, box, box. Just a moment. I'll get some box. Just give me a moment. Okay. Take some empty box or something, or pretend now, for now, right now, pretend this. Roll out and pretend this as a box. Okay, pretend this as a box. Curl it up, curl it up. Pretend this as a box. Now take your pen as a Tom. Take your pen, pretend him as a Tom. Okay, your pen as a Tom. Where is Tom? At the side of the box. Okay, at the side of the box. Now the lid is open. Where is Tom? He's standing at the edge of the box. Correct? Where is he? At the edge of the box. Now, inside. You just insert inside. Okay? Where is Tom? Inside the box. Correct? Now, the lid is closed. Now, the Tom is so tired. Where is Tom? On the box. Correct? He's sitting on the box. Later. Where is Tom? Under the box. Got it? Up, at the side. At the side you need to include. Okay? Edge, in, on. Okay? On, under. Okay? Clearly you need to show it to the kids. Okay? Yes. Come on. At the side. Edge, in. Again, coming back and sitting on it. You use this place. On, under. At, edge like this. Okay, you need to show like it's about to fall in. Edge, in, on, under. Practice this along with the song. A, E, O, A, E, O, A. Feeling difficult? Don't lift the pen. See here. Bend. E, O, A. Okay. E. Both you can do this. E, O, A. Okay. Practice this and come back. So tomorrow, there will be an activity class where I have planned to do something. But this short vowel one needs more time. So I'll give you as a home activity. I'll give you 3 days time. You can submit me on Monday. Doesn't matter. But you have to do it neatly. I'll show you how to do and all. Okay, you need to do it very neatly. That's it. Tomorrow class there will be a morning class also, evening class also. Okay, so today actually I was literally packed up with something, so I asked morning people to join evening. Okay, so tomorrow morning batch morning, evening batch evening. Okay, get equipped with the things. If in case if you are able to get, I'll give you 2 days time. These kind of a magnets. If you are able to get these kind of a magnets and any kind of like a iron pins. I have these iron pins. It is not necessary to be the fancy pins like this. It can be a safety pin also which can attract to the magnet. Okay, but these magnets you need to find. At least any piece of magnet, let us tie the thread. Okay, any piece of magnet you bring, let us tie it.
Can be a little bigger in size.
Huh?
I have in this shape, but a little bigger in
Okay,
size.
fine, no issue. Okay, you just bring it and show me. Once everyone show, I'll do the activity the very next day of it. I'm not saying this day or that day, just try to assemble all the things. That's it.
How many magnets? How many magnets?
One magnet, one magnet.
Only one.
Magnet 5 or 6 pins. Okay, 5 or 6 safety pins will attract, I feel. Right? Safety pins will attract to the magnet. Okay, so you just find the safety pins or these pins are also okay. Okay, yeah, these clip.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I have made this. Is it okay? Or I have to make another?
Ma'am, the wheel,
Letters are very short.
yeah, those are very small. That's absolutely fine. It's okay. You keep it, but when you are actually applying what on the kids, you do it properly. For my final submission, that's absolutely fine. Okay.
Actually, I made, but I just forgot to write the letters in big
Take this
form.
one. Okay. No issue. You can just keep it out. Okay. Can you
Is it
post
okay?
all your things in the group? I'm just checking back. Okay, somebody
I
has
have posted.
posted. Yeah, Rinsija ma'am also posted. That's absolutely fine, Rinsija ma'am. I don't expect 100%. Okay, but you tried it. They are really very nice. Okay. Yes. Yeah, few
I
of
have also posted everything.
yes. I have seen only 3 have posted. Okay, from the
Even me
morning.
also. Even I have posted.
Yeah, I think, yeah, only 3 have posted. Maisa ma'am, have you posted?
Yeah, I
Ma'am,
too
first
posted, ma'am.
activity, how many you have to do?
Which
The
one?
first activity
Only
number one,
one, that's it. One letter.
only one. Okay, one letter.
Ma'am,
One
I
letter
have
is
all
the
alphabet letters.
what?
I
Any
have
any alphabet, one letter, enough.
Ma'am, I have finished all alphabet letter and show it in morning class. No.
Okay, that's fine. It will be useful. Don't worry. Anyhow, Deepa ma'am, you have immediate what? The students, right? So you will utilize it. Don't worry. You already have a maths classes, right? Abacus classes. They will join for the phonics for you. Don't worry. Immediately you can utilize. Okay, fine, everyone. See you all tomorrow. And as mentioned, Saturday there will be a class. Sunday there will be a class. Continuously there will be the classes. Okay. Hopefully I'm not boring you up. Yeah. See you everyone. Bye bye.
Okay. Ma'am,
Bye.
good night.
Good
Okay,
night.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Bye bye.